Now I am going to discuss about operator overloading. Operator overloading means the same operator overloaded many times. Operator overloading is a powerful feature in object-oriented programming that allows developers to redefine the behavior of operators when working with user-defined data types such as classes or structures. Commonly overloaded operators are arithmetic operators, that is plus, minus, multiplication, division and modulus. Comparison operators equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to and greater than or equal to. Assignment operators equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to and slash equal to, that is not equal to. Logical operator and or not. Bitwise operators and or cap, tilde, cin and cout statements. Indexing operators, bracket, next function call operator, curved open bracket. Benefits of operator overloading: enhanced readability. Operators can be used intuitively with custom data types. Increased expressiveness. Operators can be tailored to specific domain logic. Improved usability. Easier integration with existing code and libraries. Data conversion. It has two types: implicit conversion and explicit conversion. Implicit conversion is automatic promotion, converting a similar data type to a larger one. Example, int to float. Widening, converting a narrower data types to a wider one. Example, character to int. Explicit conversion, manual casting, converting a data type to another using a cast operator. Example, int float. Narrowing, converting a wider data type to a narrower one. Example, float to int. Type conversion, boxing, converting a primitive type to an object. Example, int to integer. Unboxing, converting an object to a primitive type. Example, integer to int. Common data type conversion, convert integer data type to float data type. Next one is float to int and character to int, string to int float, boolean to integer. Implicit conversion 5 means int b equal to 3.14, float c equal to a plus b. Int to float means promotion. Explicit conversion, d equal to int of 3.4, e equal to float of 5, float to int casting, int to float casting. Binding, links entity to definition implementation value. Two types, static and dynamic. Static means compile time, dynamic means runtime. Static binding, resolution and compile time. Dynamic binding, resolution at runtime. Early binding, compile time, resolution. Late binding, runtime resolution enables polymorphism and code reusability. Used in function, variables and method binding. Promotes modular programming, essential concept in object-oriented programming, that is OOPS. Here are the disadvantages of using front function in object-oriented programming. Breaks encapsulation. Front function access private protected members, compromising encapsulation. Loss of data hiding exposes internal implementation details. Tight coupling, front function tightly coupled classes, reducing flexibility. Increased complexity, front functions add complexity to class relationships. Reduced security, exposes sensitive data to unauthorized access. Difficulty in maintenance, front functions make code harder to maintain. Inheritance is used. Friend functions don't inherit, causing inconsistencies. Overuse can lead to abuse, making classes overly dependent. Debugging challenges. Friend functions obscure debugging. Binding and late binding in C++. Binding linking function call to definition. Early binding compile time resolution. Late binding runtime resolution. Virtual functions enable late binding. Virtual keyword in base class. Override functions in derived class. Base class pointer can point a derived class. Late binding resolves function call at runtime. Polymorphism achieve through late binding. Override keyword ensure correct override. Thank you.